Hey everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the TricLED Swingarm license plate relocator kit, the Polaris Slingshot. You may have noticed that the bulky factory license plate holder that came with the Slingshot has a less than desirable look, and in our opinion, doesn't quite fit the aggressive body lines of the Slingshot. So we partnered up with our friends over at TricLED to bring you guys this, a Swingarm mounted license plate relocator kit that not only improves visual appeal, but is also the perfect solution for those of you that need to move your license plate for products such as the rear exit exhaust or rear fender. This product includes a plug-and-play style extension wire and all necessary hardware for 100% bolt-on application. Now follow me as I walk you through the installation process.
First, disconnect your license plate light, then unscrew the two T40 Torx bolts to remove the factory holder. Now take off your license plate from the factory holder. Followed by the factory light by unscrewing these two 8mm bolts. And don't forget to cut the zip tie that holds the wire in place. Now you can assemble your new TricLED bracket. Using the two bolts and two nuts, mount the smaller plate for the light on the back side of the larger main plate. Then take the swing arm L bracket and again, using the other two bolts and nuts, mount that on the back side of the larger main plate. Then you can take your light and attach it to the new bracket reusing your stock hardware. Next, you'll need to remove a couple of the bolts to the underside of the rear deck panel. So that you can pop it down and access the wire for your factory license plate light. Then take the new extension wire from the kit and plug it into the existing wire and carefully run it down the back panel, keeping it clear from the shock and any other moving parts. Use the supplied hex head bolt, star washer, and thread locker compound to install the relocator to the swing arm. And then finally, plug in your license plate light, snap your panel back in, and screw it down into place.
Alright guys, that's really all there is to it. Now if this seems like something you'd be interested in, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods, the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.